Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. I am Nurulita Febrianti and I would like to tell you guys about word processing in psycholinguistic course. So the first one is about lexical semantic. Lexical semantic is the study of the meanings of words, which studies how a word represents in the meaning it conveys from the speaker to the listener. In this section, this meaning, it can be differentiated between sense and reference according to the Jekendorf in 1983. It is divided into two types, which is sense and reference. In sense, it refers approximately to dictionary that we know about words. So it can be said that sense refers to what comes in our mind when hearing the sound. And then reference is another form of meaning that words are involved in. And then is the lexical semantic. Lexical semantics concern how the words in a sentence are related to an event symbolized by a word and by a verb. This relationship can influence sentence processing decision. For example, is animate nouns such as animals or peoples are more likely to function as actors of the action indicated by the verb or as the subject of the sentences. And then is the lexical access. Lexical access is something that refers to the set of mental representation and processes that are involved in identifying which specific words we are hearing, while during spoken words processing or seeing in during visual words processing. We can see the structure of this lexical access in the picture in the screen. And then is the lexical ambiguity resolution. Many words have more than one meaning. It means that when hearing a word that has the same meaning, our brain will process it to produce the appropriate meaning. If visual and acoustic stimuli activate multiple word forms that they are associated with, maybe words formed simultaneously activate multiple meanings that they are associated with. It is a hypothesis known as exhaustive access account. The amount of time that passes between the presentation of the ambiguous word and presentation of the target is called stimulus effect asynchrony, or SOA. And then is how words meaning are represented in the brain. The idea that different kinds of words are represented in different parts of the brain has been investigated by looking at how words knowledge break down following brain damage and by neurophysiological and neuroimaging studies of normally functioning individuals. At the first place, the existence of category-specific deficits in semantic knowledge and words processing would seem to favor localization over distributed representation. Localized representation offer a quick and efficient explanation for why one category would go away, but others will not. And one of the hallmarks of distributed system is graceful and gradual reduction in function following the damage. However, a detailed look at the available evidence and a fresh look at the organization of semantic memory provides a major boost to the distributed representation precision. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.